Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Honor 200 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open, and here click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now select AI assistant, and here you have to allow this app to draw over other apps and then click back. Now click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is my Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.